Hi there, my name is Greg Laxton and I'll be highlighting a few key aspects of Remgro's 2018 financial year end results. Looking at our recommendation, Remgro should be valued based on the intrinsic value rather than on the earnings per share due to the nature of the group's operations. The largest contributors to group intrinsic value include healthcare and financials, which contribute approximately 22% and 42% respectively. The intrinsic value of Remgro will be materially affected by one of its key investments, being RMH, FirstRand, and Mediclinic. We believe that each of these listed material investments are fairly valued. We calculate the estimated intrinsic value of Remgro to be 23,719 cents per share, which means that Remgro is currently trading at an approximate 20% discount to this value, whilst historically Remgro has traded at a discount of 13%. We recommend an overweight exposure, primarily informed by a discount to intrinsic value that is larger than historical average. Looking at earnings, intrinsic value increased by 2.2% to R256.97. This is despite the 24.5% decline in intrinsic value of Mediclinic, as this was more than offset by the 29% and 35.5% increase in intrinsic value of RMH and FirstRand respectively. Headline earnings per share, excluding once-off costs and option remeasurements, increased by 7.7% to 1,466.5 cents per share. The group declared a final dividend of 328 cents per share, which is a 9% increase, and together with the interim dividend of 204 cents per share, resulted in a full-year dividend of 532 cents per share, which is an increase of 7.5%. Dividends received for the year increased by 5.6%. Looking at investment activities, the competition authorities have approved Unilever's acquisition of Remgro's 25.75% interest in Unilever in exchange for the Unilever spreads business, plus a cash consideration of 4.9 billion. The Unilever spreads business is valued at 7 billion rand and includes the Rama, Stork, and Flora brands. On 29 August 2018, Remgro invested a further 324 million rand in Community Investment Ventures Holdings as part of a rights offer. During August, Remgro disposed of its investment and loan in Milestone Capital Strategic Holdings Limited for a total consideration of $70 million. Our portfolio guidance is as follows. The current cap Swix weighting of Remgro is 2.07% and our recommended portfolio exposure is 4%. Please note that a higher allocation may be justified where the portfolio is not already exposed to any of the underlying stocks in Remgro. Before I end off, if you would like to trade, then please contact our trading desk. Investors are reminded that they can refer to our online trading platform, which contains a more in-depth analysis on Remgro's 2018 financial year-end results. For more information on how to interpret a trade idea, visit the events section on psg.co.za to access previous trade ideas and how to understand the method of analysis we use. Lastly, I would like to bring your attention to the following disclaimer. Thank you very much.